Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Hotmail if you're not receiving emails. First, make sure you're logged into your account. Head to the Outlook login page, click sign in, and enter your email and password. Once you're in, look for the settings icon. It's usually a gear symbol at the top right. Click on it and then select account. This gives you access to all your account management options. Take a quick look and make sure there aren't any unusual restrictions on your account. Next, check your storage. Go into storage and then email storage. If your inbox is full, it can block new emails. So, delete old messages, clear your spam folder, or archive emails to free up space. And that's it. Following these steps should get your inbox receiving emails again. Keep an eye on your storage and settings regularly. It really helps prevent future issues. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more solutions.